Welcome back. In this video, we are going to learn how we can make a custom notification bar in Shopify Dawn theme. So by the end of this video, you will be able to make a notification bar, something like this. So you can change the background color of the notification bar like this. And you can change the button color as well. You can change the button text from here, and you can change the font size of the message. And you can change the button text. Like this. And also you can add a button link from here, and you can change the button font size as well. So you can also change the text over here, like we can add any text, and you will be able to print some pre-made templates. So if you change the template from here, select black diamond. So these are the pre-made templates, and if you select another one, you will see the background change, the color of the message change, and similarly you can have very different templates. These are the pre-made templates. And you can also apply the animation at the button, like mouse, like flash. So this is we are going to build in Shopify Dawn theme. Okay, you need to open Visual Studio Code and open the theme files. Inside theme files, you need to create a new file, notification-bar.liquid, in the section folder. So I have already done that and written some HTML and CSS. And if I reload the page, you will see there is a message text and button text. So this is coming from here, and I have written some style. And if we add this bold and clear class with the notification bar, you will notice that our style is changed now. So how we can make that dynamic and how we can control that from the customizer? So let's write some schema for that. Let me remove this class first, and I will type schema. And let's name the section notification bar, and we are going to type would be select. So we can choose the different template from select drop down. So I'll say type would be select, then ID would be template, and label would be pre-made templates, and inside options we're going to pass some objects of the values. So basically, in the values, we are going to add HTML classes. So that will be something like value, like black dash diamond, and the label would be black diamond. So I have written all the style for these classes. So let me just add a few more. So let's say value is Amazonian, and the label would be Amazonian. So next one would be value Mickey, and label would be Mickey. So this is how you can make the options of all the templates. So let's copy paste all the remaining options. Let me grab all these values and replace that with it. Save that. Now we have the schema for select. Now we need to get these classes over here. So I will say section dot settings dot the name of the ID template. So save that, and let's reload the customizer. And now if you notice, we have all these options, and if you change any of the option like full spring, like gift park, the template would change automatically, like trust me. So save that, and if you reload the page, you will notice the template is changed. Next, we are going to make these text and button text dynamic. So go back into the code and make another field that would be type would be text area, and ID would be message, and label would be message as well. And in the default text, let's say all t-shirts are 15% off. So this is the default text that will be automatically displayed in the customizer. So I will show you in a minute. Let me make another field for a button text. So I'll say type text, and ID would be button underscore text, and then label button text, and in the default value we will add check the product. Save that, and go back into the customizer and reload. Now you see we have the default values which we have given in the schema. They are coming here, so you can change them. So let's make them dynamic. So if we change these text over here, they will be updated over here automatically. So go back to the code again, and here we will type section dot settings dot message, the name of the ID, and here I will say section dot settings and button underscore text. Save that and reload the customizer again. And if you notice, we have the default text over here, And if you change this like summer sale, so you see the text is being changed over here, so you can control the message from the customizer. Save that and reload the page, and you see the text is being changed. Next, we are going to add some animation over the button. For that, we need to grab the animate.css. We will type animate CSS and click on that link. This is the animation website. We have different type of animations. So first we need to grab this link. So we will add that in our theme. I have already done, and I put that in the theme.liquid file. Now I need to copy these classes. Like if you copy that, so there are two classes. One is let me add these classes here, class, and there is a one animate mouse, and the default class is, let me copy that class as well, animated. So you need to add two classes to add the animation. So let's open the browser again and see if we have the animation. Now you notice the button is being animated. So let me add few more animations. So how we can do that? Go back to the code, and we need to add another field here for the animation, and we are going to add the animation classes in the values. Okay, so let's create a new field and name that something. Open that. Type would be select again, and ID would be animation. You can name it anything, but I would say animation. And label would be animation, and the options would be value, and let's say animate __ slash, and the label would be flash. And this is how you can add the different values. Let me just copy paste all these classes over here. So copy them, paste that here. I will push this code into the GitHub, so you can download that code easily. So let's change this with section.settings.animation, the name of the ID. And if you go back in the customizer and reload the customizer, now we have animation drop down, and if you change the animation, we see now it is flashing. If I change Tada, now the animation is changed. And if you change yellow, and you can change anything you like. Save that and reload the page, and you see the animation is being applied. So next we are going to do that, how we can change the background of the bar and how we can change the background of this button as well. So let's do that. Okay, we need to add another field for background color. So we'll say type would be color, ID background bar background color underscore color, and label would be bar background color. And similarly, we need to have a background color for the button as well. Let's copy that and color button underscore color, and change the label button to background color. So we need to add some style here. I'd say notification bar dot custom background, and that would be section background would be section dot setting dot background underscore color. Similarly for, let me add full stop here. Let's copy that, and here we will add a tag because our button is coming in a tag. So background of the button would be button underscore color. Save that and go back to the customizer. Reload the customizer. And from here you can change the background, like you can apply any color you would like. If you want to blue color, any color you like, blue, green, whatever the color you would like to have. And similarly you can change the button color as well. You see, save that and reload the page. So next we are going to add how we can change the sizes of this text. So let's go back in the customizer and add another field. That would be type range ID font underscore size, and label would be font size. Min value 12 pixel, max value 48 pixel, and default should be 16 pixel, steps 1 pixel, and URL would be px. Save that, and we need to add some style for this. So I'll say notification bar, copy this class notification bar. Inside notification bar we have a paragraph, and then we have anchor text. So we are going to change the font size of these two elements. So I'll say font size section dot settings font underscore size, and in the end I will type px. Save that. Now reload the page. Reload the page.
Here
We have this field font size. Let's increase or decrease the font size. 12 pixel. You see 12 pixel, and if I increase that, do you notice the font size is being changed? So this is how you can make a custom bar for your clients, for merchants. It's very easy. I hope this video will help you a lot. Thank you.